Our third lesson. Inshallah, we will read. We just give example to our children at the top, something like this. Ba, ta, tha. Make sure the pronunciation of tha is perfect. And if your children cannot make it, make sure they practice it. If you don't, there's difficulties for you to explain it to your children, ask somebody who has fluent pronunciation to teach them, because it's very important to make sure that your children can pronounce it perfectly, this letter. It's tha, not sa, or other pronunciation. It should be tha, perfect. And every letters that they read should be perfect. And do not compromise on quality, because this is very important for them to realize that they should be proud of when they read it perfectly and correctly. And this will become their habit when they reading Quran, that they're proud of reading it correctly and perfectly. Inshallah, let's start lesson number 3. Ba, ta, tha. Tha, a, ba. Tha, ba, ta. Ba, ta, ta. Ba, a, tha. A, ta, ba. Tha, ba, tha. Ta, ba, ta. A, tha, tha. Ta, ta, a. Ba, tha, tha. Tha, ba, ta. Ba, ta, tha. A, ba, ta, tha. A, ba, ta, tha. Make sure every time your children read, for each reading, for example like this, tha, a, ba. If they do it perfectly, you need to praise them. For example, tha, a, ba. Perfect. You mention perfect, or you mention tha, a, ba. Good. Or tha, a, ba. Well done. So all of these praises will encourage your children to read more and more, inshallah. And they feel happy and they feel acknowledge what they've done by doing the reading correctly and perfectly. Inshallah, we will move to the next page.